Hi, I want to go over how to do this assignment. The sort of requirements are here. A 500-word article I want you to find from Gale eBooks. I want you to include a citation and a one-sentence summary in your document. And so you want to start on the mjc.edu webpage, go to library, go down to articles and databases. I'm not sure if it's here or at the next click that you will have to enter your W number and 6-digit date of birth. Mine's already in. And you get to this menu. On the left, you've got background databases, background searching databases, and on the right, you have databases for more in-depth research. But for this assignment, I only want you to use Gale eBooks, that's all. And I asked you to find an article that approaches happiness from a certain perspective. And I'm going to show you how you really only need the one term happiness, which actually works best for Gale eBooks. One term searches, though you can see people have done other searches, and you could try one of these as well if you want to narrow your field, because when we do this, we get over 6,000 results. But the way to make sure you find an article that approaches it from a particular perspective is by looking at what book what encyclopedia the article is from. So Gale eBooks is a compilation of entries from dozens of encyclopedias that is easily searchable. So every source is an encyclopedia, and every article is an entry in an encyclopedia. This article here will approach happiness from a philosophical point of view, and etc. You can kind of look and see. And you see how the articles range from 7 pages to 2 pages, it looks like. And they should all be 500 words or more, but you can, of course, always copy and paste into a Word doc to double check that, and you should. So I'm going to start my assignment by finding this little cite button, because this is where this is called a citation, and it's in MLA style, and that is the first requirement of this assignment, is to include this complete citation. So I'm going to go over here and paste in the citation, and then next I'm going to write the summary. I've kind of cheated and already gone over here. So the summary should include the author's name. It should include the name of the encyclopedia entry itself. It should include the name of the encyclopedia. It should include the topic, the idea of happiness, and it should explain what point the author makes about happiness, and that's what I've done here. So if I don't see something very much like this, I will recommend and send you to our embedded librarian, who will help you. And believe me, that kind of help is worth its weight in gold. So, but I think you can do this. I mean, it's not that hard.